สวัสดีค่ะ
Welcome to our Thai language series. Today, we are starting to learn some basic Thai adjectives that will enrich your daily conversations and help you express your feelings more clearly. If you're comfortable and ready, let's get started. And speaking of ready, our first adjective is exactly that, ready. If you want to ask someone in Thai if they are ready, you would say,
พร้อมไหม พร้อมไหม พร้อม
means ready.
ไหม
Is the question particle used to turn statements into questions, similar to is it or are you? Perhaps the person you're asking isn't ready and needs to indicate that they are busy. In Thai, you can express being busy by saying,
ยุ่งอยู่ ยุ่งอยู่
This simply means I am busy. It's made up of two parts,
ยุ่ง
meaning busy and
อยู่
a verb that translates as am or is in this context. So when you're tied up and can't take on anything else, just say,
ยุ่งอยู่
and everyone will understand that you need some space to finish up what you're doing. Or, if you want to say, I am very busy nowadays in Thai, you would use the phrase,
ปัจจุบันฉันยุ่ง ปัจจุบันฉันยุ่ง ปัจจุบัน
means currently or nowadays. To indicate more specific time periods instead of using nowadays, you can use expressions like
วันนี้
means today or
ตอนนี้
right now. These phrases help specify a particular moment or day more precisely. Continuing with our exploration of everyday Thai phrases, let's talk about how to express feeling good in Thai. If you're feeling great and want to express that in Thai, you would use the phrase,
ฉันรู้สึกดี ฉันรู้สึกดี
This phrase is perfect for when you want to communicate your positive state of mind or health. Let's break down the sentence.
รู้สึก
Means feel, a verb that's used to describe emotional or physical sensations.
รู้
This root part of the word typically means to know or to be aware of. It implies a cognitive aspect of awareness or knowledge.
สึก
This part doesn't stand alone in Thai and is used in conjunction with
รู้
to form the verb that means to feel. Together,
รู้สึก
literally conveys to feel or to experience, combining the cognitive aspect of knowing with the experiential aspect of sensing or feeling emotions and physical sensations. This verb is extensively used to express feelings and states of being, making it a fundamental part of expressing personal emotions or physical feelings in Thai.
ดี
Means good or well, an adjective that conveys a positive condition. If you're feeling sick or unwell, you might say,
ฉันรู้สึกไม่ดี ฉันรู้สึกไม่ดี
Another common way to express feeling unwell in Thai, similar to saying, I don't feel well, is
ฉันไม่สบาย ฉันไม่สบาย
Here's another example. To say I am very tired. In Thai, you would say,
ฉันเหนื่อยมาก ฉันเหนื่อยมาก เหนื่อย
This adjective means tired or exhausted and is frequently used to describe both physical and mental fatigue. If you want to describe someone who loves their freedom or works independently, you can use this adjective. For instance,
เขาชอบอิสระ เขาชอบอิสระ
he likes to be free. The adjective,
อิสระ
meaning free or independent, operates differently from how adjectives are used in English with the verb to be. In Thai, Adjectives function as stative verbs, so they do not normally occur with the verb to be.
เป็น
Instead, the adjective itself serves the purpose of describing the state of the subject directly. For example,
เขาชอบอิสระ
can be translated directly as he likes freedom or he likes being free, without needing an additional verb to express to be. Another word for free, similar to the English free, Thai does have the word
ฟรี
which is borrowed directly from English and used mainly in the context of no cost, like free admission or free of charge. It's not used in the context of freedom or being free in a non-cost sense, which is where
อิสระ
would be applied. Let's provide an example of a different adjective.
น่ารัก
Means cute or lovable. This is a great adjective to describe something or someone endearing or charming. For example,
แมวน่ารักมาก แมวน่ารักมาก
this sentence directly translates to the cat is very cute.
ฉลาด
Means smart or intelligent. Ideal for discussing intellectual capabilities. For example, to say, this child is very smart. In Thai, you would say,
เด็กคนนี้ฉลาดมาก เด็กคนนี้ฉลาดมาก
For our final example, we're discussing how to chat about the weather in Thailand. And as many of you know, Thailand is always hot. To say hot in Thai, you use the word
ร้อน
when striking up a casual conversation about the weather, you might say,
วันนี้ร้อนมากเลย วันนี้ร้อนมากเลย
Here's how you can break down the sentence.
วันนี้
Means today.
เลย เลย
This word is used for emphasis, similar to saying really or so in English. Important note, in Thai language learning, understanding the nuances of adjective use is key. One intriguing aspect is the reduplication of adjectives, which serves to modify their meanings in subtle but impactful ways. This can either make the meaning less definite, similar to adding ish in English, or enhance the intensity. For instance, the phrase
สีแดงแดง
translates to a reddish color, suggesting not a pure red, but a hue that approaches it. Another example is
บ้านเล็ก
which means a smallish house, indicating a house that is somewhat small, but not necessarily tiny. In our next video, we will delve into how compound adjectives are formed in Thai and discuss their effects in detail. If you think today's content was helpful, please don't forget to like it. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the comments. Wishing you healthy and enjoyable days.